Children, today we are meeting again to understand the remaining part of chapter 11, Sunita in Space. Take out page 107 of your textbook. Now you can see a table in your book. That is, you have to look at the moon and you have to write here today's date, day after a week and day after 15 days. So that dates you will write first, and then you will look at the moon and draw here. For this I have given you again a photograph of phases of moon that you will draw in your notebook. Okay beta. Now find out what are the festivals related to moon, what is the next full moon, new moon, all this is there in the diagram. Then festivals, I have given all these question answers in the notes coming to you. Now you can also take out some weather reports and stick in your notebook. You will enjoy. Now look at this table and tell. See, given below are dates, time of rise of moon and time of moon set. Now see, on 28th October, the moon came out at 16 minutes past 7 o'clock. On 29th October, the moon came at 17 minutes past 8 o'clock. And on 29th October, there was a difference of 1 hour and 1 minute in the time of the moon rise as compared to 28th October. After seeing both these dates, you can write the answer on page number 108. All these three blanks you will do in your textbook only. These two question answers are there in your notes. Now there is a fine poem over here. Twinkling stars. Stars are twinkle in the sky. Why do they twinkle? Tell me why. How many can you see? You can see thousands of stars in the sky, right beta? Some seem near, some seem far. If there is a name for every star, how many can you tell? See, is there any name for everyone? We know one or two. Dhruv का तारा, ऐसे मालूम है एक दो तारे बस. They shine so bright in the dark of night. Why do they hide in the morning light? How many can you see? How many can you see? Some shining stars we know so well, but every star has a tale to tell. How many can you see? हर एक तारे की एक कहानी होती है. We don't know everything, but it is interesting poem. Yes beta, you can read once or twice, you can enjoy. Now here is the photograph, an interesting photograph. This photograph is taken by Sunita Williams from the spaceship when she went to the moon. She took it from the moon, how the earth is seen. So this photograph also I have given you in the notes. Now do your best and things will work out. On page 109, this is about Sunita Williams. When Sunita Williams was 5 years old, she saw a picture of Neil Armstrong landing on the moon. She was very much fascinated. Children think that हाँ मैं ये बनूँगा, वो बनूँगा, ये बनूँगा, ऐसे करके. तो Sunita was also fascinated. She was young girl. She was really loved sports and swimming, and she wanted to become a diver. Diver कौन होता है मालूम बेटा? पानी में जाके मोतिया और सब collect करता है. They are called divers. But she could not become it, and she became a helicopter pilot. And then that is what she did. With full enthusiasm and full zest, she did it. And Sunita Williams set a new record for the longest space flight by the woman. Sunita often gives her own example to tell children. If you want something, but you get something else, कुछ बनना होता है और कुछ बन जाते हैं, तो क्या करने का? Do not give up. Do your best and things will work out. जो मिला है उसमें बेस्ट करो, you will get everything. Okay बेटा? When Sunita was asked by a child what would she like to do in the future, she answered, I want to become a school teacher. भविष्य में उसको स्कूल टीचर ही बनना है. And so that I could make children understand how science and maths are closely linked to our lives. अपनी ज़िंदगी में साइंस और मैथ्स का क्या महत्व है वो मुझे समझाना है. Now what you have learned, this question answers are also there in your notes. See, this I like very much. Different countries cannot be seen as separate from there. These lines are on paper. They are made by us. So boundaries are not there seen from the space. So you have to explain this. All these answers are there in your notes. Okay, enjoy beta. Good day.